You very well might be eating these foods already, but I bet you anything, you're eating them wrong. A good nutrition is by far the #1 tool that we have at our disposal to improve our response to the training that we are doing, to harvest more gains, guys. We are headed back to my kitchen where I'm gonna go through a couple little pro tips and a couple of particular foods that you need to include in your diet. There's a way to do it well, and there's a way to do it wrong, guys. Let's go into it, how to maximize your gains in the kitchen. #1 thing that we're gonna talk about today is our trusty liquid gold. Olive oil, guys. Now, when I was growing up, for whatever reason, could be that my mom was dieting or whatever, but we were just kind of educated as Americans that olive oil made you fat, because we look at the nutrition facts on the side and it says, oh my God, 9 grams of fat, holy shit, 9 calories per gram, oh my God, we're gonna be fat. So I basically had a fear of olive oil. I thought that was just like the devil's drug, do not eat olive oil. And then I come to Spain and all these people who are coincidentally ridiculously skinny. Like, it is hard to find a person that is Spanish that's fat, straight up. It's unbelievable. These people put olive oil on their food like there is no tomorrow. It is shocking. So I was like, man, why are all these people so skinny? Why is there all this talk about the Mediterranean diet being so healthy? And these people are just guzzling olive oil. Kind of started doing it myself, along with a bunch of research. Found out this stuff is literally liquid gold. It is wildly healthy. There are countless study after study. This stuff is, a lot of people say, the reason why people are so healthy in these Mediterranean countries, why they have such great life expectancy, way lower obesity rates. Anyway, olive oil, extremely healthy. Lowers inflammation. It's great for the joints and a ton of other things. I don't even need to say it, guys. We need to be eating olive oil in our diet. But guys, this is the thing. Olive oil has to be extra virgin. It has to be extra virgin olive oil, or else we are missing out on all the gains. So in Spain, where I am, it's very easy. Every olive oil that is sold in the market is 100% real, verified, extra virgin, comes from Spain. Always great. Top quality. The food regulations in Europe are much more strict. There are no ways that these companies are gonna lie to us. Now, FDA in America, you guys have it a lot harder. It could easily be labeled as extra virgin, blah, blah, this, and they could straight up be lying to you. In the extreme capitalistic America, money rules, and they are gonna try and scam you and lie to you and do whatever it takes to get you to buy their product. That's just how America is. The FDA is crooked. Be very careful, guys. Try and look for olive oil that is, again, extra virgin. Make sure it's for real. So how do you use olive oil the correct way, and how do you use it the wrong way? Super simple, guys. A lot of people use this product. Here's my olive oil. We cook with it. If we cook it and the olive oil reaches a certain temperature, basically ruins all those beneficial compounds, those beneficial nutrients that we are searching for by eating this product. Never heat your olive oil up. It has to be added to your plate, to your food, cold. After it's cooked, you put it on your plate. That's the moment when we need to add our olive oil. So keep that in mind, guys. Again, amazing product. Tons of science behind it. We need to be including this in our diet. Second point, guys, and this kind of goes hand in hand with what I just said. It has to do with vegetables. Now, we all know vegetables, the thing that we gotta get in our body for max health. All the vitamins, all the nutrients, 100%. No debate. Vegetables are pure health. But guys, this is a thing. A lot of people do this so incorrectly. We cut up our veggies here and we fry them up. What does that do? Again, the same thing that happens to the olive oil. When those veggies get heated up, a bunch of those beneficial vitamins and minerals get murdered. The heat murders them. I know, guys, heating up these veggies in a nice saute maybe does taste better, but we are ruining all the gains. And vegetables are such a powerful thing, it's almost worth just saying, I'm gonna eat these raw just to get them in my stomach, just to get them in my body, and that my body can use them to its best ability and really take all the gains possible. So guys, when possible, vegetables need to be eaten raw, with the exception of mushrooms, which, fun fact, mushrooms actually are the opposite. They actually need to be cooked on the stove to have all those beneficial properties, extracted to the highest level. So that's actually a really interesting one. The outlier in this what I'm saying. All vegetables besides mushrooms need to be eaten raw when we can. If you have to cook them, don't let them sit on there for 20 minutes boiling in this water or boiling in your oil and heat. That literally murders so much of the gains of those vegetables, guys. All right, so on to number 3. This is about the importance of omega-3 fatty acids, guys. This omega-3, we really need to have it in our diet. And a lot of people think, okay, well, I'm gonna supplement, guys. Let's get some fish oil pills. We've all seen those little pills that taste kind of weird and you'll burp them up later and it's just horrendous. Those guys are actually a wild scam. And this is exactly what I was meaning when I'm saying the FDA is freaking crooks, yo. They literally classify omega-3 supplements as a food, not as a drug. So what does that allow these companies to do? Basically allows them to do whatever they want. They can put a bunch of lies on their label. This is related to health. This is great for the health. Heart disease is way lessened with these supplements. And it's straight up lies. There is no science behind this. Yes, there is no debate that omega-3 is super healthy. But a lot of these omega-3 supplements, guys, they actually aren't. It's just concentrated, low quality oil that has possibly been sitting in a warehouse for who knows how many years, and it's just a lie. So we definitely want omega-3 in our diet. It is super important. Twice a week, be getting that fish in, be getting those chia seeds, those flax seeds, those other sources of vegetarian omega-3. Stay away from those supplements. I'm telling you guys, go for the natural route, the actual real route. There is no science whatsoever that has proved the benefit of taking a fish oil supplement in a pill like that. Actually, there's a bunch of science that has proved that is not the way to do it, and that actually there can be contaminants in those pills. Who knows what other weird shit. They could very well be not putting the correct doses of omega-3 that each supplement has. It's a total farce. There's no regulation because it's classified as a food, not a drug, so that they can basically get away with lying to the customers and they brainwash them and lie to them into buying their product. That's the America, straight up. Get those omega-3s in, but do it well with fish. Big fan of the salmon, the mackerel. There's a bunch of fish. You guys can look them up easily on the web. Omega-3, how to get it, where to get it. Try not to do it in the supplement form. Do it in real food. It's way more healthy for us. The last kind of sum up point that I want to leave you guys with is, as an athlete, our objective is to fuel our body. Anything that we put in our body needs to be done with purpose. I feel like a lot of athletes would really benefit from taking charge of their nutrition and the knowledge about the nutrition that they are eating. For instance, one that I see all the time is, oh yeah, okay, we're eating this steak because it's really good for your iron, for your ferritin levels. We've been training hard. Maybe we're at altitude. So I'm going to eat this steak. That's going to help my iron levels. But then right after, for dessert, 10 minutes after, they eat a big, nice plate of Greek yogurt, which is just loaded with calcium. And what they don't know by doing that is that the calcium right there is literally canceling out the possible absorption of that iron that they just ate. But they don't know it. So I'm thinking, you guys need to do a bit of research. We need to eat with purpose. Like I say, if you're eating a steak with the idea and premise of, okay, this is gonna help our iron. Guys, your responsibility as an athlete is to do the research. What foods can you eat that are going to help that absorption of that iron? Okay, I do some research here. I see that vitamin C is essential to help increase the absorption rates of this iron. Well, then I need to pair it with some vitamin C, some vegetables, some broccoli, some peppers, something that has really high vitamin C. A lot of people don't understand that. I mean, like, take charge, do your research, and understand that what we are eating needs to be done with purpose. Everything that we eat is for a reason. So keep that in mind, guys. I think really, it's something that I really am passionate about, learning about nutrition, trying to do everything, again, with purpose, making sure that I'm not just eating just because it's in my fridge. We can really get a step ahead by taking extra care, learning about the subject. This is the video of the day, guys. I hope you liked it. These thoughts have been on my mind. I wanted to go through a couple of these today, guys. There are definitely more of these similar ideas out there, but I just wanted to go into a couple. These things I feel like are easy ways that we can improve our nutrition, improve our health without doing anything differently. It's just about learning, being conscious, and, understanding how to not do them, basically. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you do, give me that like. As always, peace in the next one. See ya.